Namaste. Hamesha खुश रहो बिटिया. Myself, Dr. Gaurav Gupta, Assistant Professor, Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to discuss thermal deaths, that is, deaths which occurs due to the variations in the temperatures. Thermal deaths are caused by local or systemic exposure to either heat or cold. Cold. Exposure to cold produces hypothermia, which is defined as an oral or axillary temperature of less than 35 degrees Celsius. The direct effects of cold are prominent in fatty tissues and myelinated nerves fibers, while indirect effects are mostly systemic due to vascular damage. The ability of the hypothalamus to regulate temperature is completely lost below 30 degrees Celsius. Local effects. The cold produces blanching and paleness of the skin due to vascular spasms. It is followed by edema and swelling. Blister formation involves skin, subcutaneous tissues, muscles, and nerves. Either the tissue becomes frozen, stiff, hard, and necrotic by direct effect of cold, or the necrosis follows vascular occlusion, thrombosis, obliterating endarteritis, secondary inflammation, and infection of the damaged tissue. The localized effect of cold are frostbite, trench foot, and immersion foot. Trench foot and immersion foot are the result of prolonged exposure to severe cold and dampness. It may affect only the skin or may extend deeply. It occurs due to exposure to greater extremes of cold, that is minus 2.5 degrees Celsius, develops more rapidly, and in addition to the extremities, it frequently affects other parts, for example, nose, ear, and the face. In frostbite, necrosis with blister formation and gangrene occurs. The skin becomes hard and black in about 2 weeks. General effects. Ill effects are manifested in three stages, which merge imperceptibly, leading to death. In first stage, the patient feels cold and shivers, and the body temperature falls. In the second stage, shivering stops when the temperature is at or below 32 degrees Celsius. The person becomes depressed, lethargic, drowsy, and sleepy, which gradually passes into stupor and coma. The muscles stiffen and mobility is impaired. He feels as if drunk when try to walk. Respiration, circulation, metabolic, and enzymatous processes and oxygenation of all cells are slowed down or blocked. In the third stage, the temperature is lower to 27 degrees Celsius or even less, which, if maintained for 24 hours or longer, is fatal. Death results from the ultimate failure of the vital centers due to anoxia. Postmortem appearance. External appearance. Pink or brown pink areas with indistinct blurred margins, particularly over and around joints such as knees, elbow, and hips is characteristic. The extremities may be cyanosed. Edema may be seen in the feet and lower legs. PM lividity is bright pink. Internal findings. The appearance are not characteristics. The subcutaneous tissues are relatively avascular. Ice crystals can be found in blood vessels, heart, and interstitial tissue spaces. The blood is often of bright red color due to the retention of oxygen by hemoglobin at low temperature. The stomach mucosa is studded with numerous brown-black acute erosion, ulcerations, and hemorrhages similar to those seen in many types of pre-death stress. A variable degree of fat necrosis of the pancreas is seen in about 50% cases. Area of stiff yellow fat necrosis are seen in pancreas and adjacent areas of momentum and mesentery. Pulmonary edema and microinfarcts in many organs are common. Perivascular hemorrhages in the brain and small intestine infarcts in the heart is seen. Internal organs are congested. Most medical legal importance is this that it is mostly accidental. Infanticide and homicide in adults where unconscious persons are left in freezing temperature are rare. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.